Hello students, welcome back to Nagesh Karajagi Orchid School. I, Miss Ujjwala Mule, and I am going to teach you maths, lesson number 1. Now see here, look at the board. In the previous session, we have seen question number 1 to 5. So now today, I am going to start question number 6. Can you see this? See the question number 6. I will read the question. You also read in your mind. Counting in hundreds. Write the next 4 numbers. Now here one number they had given us and the number is 1115, isn't it? So what we have to do? We have to count in hundreds, means we have to add 100 in the given number. So what is our number? 1115. Add 100 in the given number. Yes. Means again one more trick is there, just we will change the 100 place digit, isn't it? See, this is ones place, tens place, 100, and this is thousands place. We are going to change only thousands place. I will write here O, T, H and TH. Now see this hundreds place digit. Here at hundreds place 1 is there. So we have to add 100 in the given number, or else we have to add 1 in the hundreds place digit. Now here 1 is there, so 1115 plus 100 or 1115. At 100 plus 1 is there, add 1 plus 1, 2. So what will be the next number? 1215. Now again see at 100 plus which number is there? 2, isn't it? 2. So again we have to add 1 in the 100 plus digit. At 100 plus 2 is there. So 1 plus 2, 3. So the next number is 1315. Next 1315 plus 100. Now we will add 100 in the given number. Do the addition. 1315 plus 100, 1415. Again add 100 more in this number. 1415 plus 100, what will be the answer? 1515. Now see here, only we are going to change the 100 place number, isn't it? Now see here, at 100 plus 1 is there. Here in this number at 100 plus 2 is there. In this number at 100 plus 3 is there. Here 4 is there. Here 5 is there. And also see the remaining 3 digits, which is at ones place, tens place and thousands place. They are the same digits. So we will not touch to the tens place, ones place and thousands place digit, because our question is counting in hundreds. So only we are going to change the 100 place digit. Okay. Now we will see one more example. See the another example, 6666. This is the number. So what we have to do? We will see the only 100 place digit. Here at 100 plus 6 is there. So we will change only this number, 100 place digit. Okay. Add 100 in this number. What will be the answer? 6766. As I told you, we are going to change only this number. So add in this 7, 1, then we will get the next number. So 6766 plus 100, 6866. Now see here at 100 plus which number we got? 8. Okay. So add 1 in the 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So what will be the next number? 6966. Now here see students, 9 is there. Okay. So now we have to take one care. 6966. Here we will add 100. Okay. Let's do the addition. Now 6 plus 0, 6. Again 6 plus 0, 6. Now 9 plus 1, 10. Carry 1. 1 plus 6, 7. So the next number is 7066. Okay. Now see the next question. Counting in thousands. write the next four numbers. Now here counting in thousands means we have to add 1000 in the given number, and the number is 1001. Add 1000 in this number, what we will get? 1001 plus 1000, we will get 2001. We are going to change only thousands place digit because we have to count the given number in thousands. So 1001 plus 1000, 2001. Now again we will add 1000 in this number. So what will it be the number? 3001. Now again see the thousands place digit 3 is there. Add 1 in this 3 plus 1 we will get 4. So the next number will be 4001. Again we will do the addition 4001 plus 1000, then what will be the answer? Next number 5001. Understood? Okay. Now here they are given one more example, we will see that also. 4010. Add 1000, see the thousands place digit. Here 4 is there. 4 plus 1, 5. So the next number is 5010. Now again add 1000 in this number, means we will get the next number our 5010 plus 1000, we will get our next number 6010. Again see the thousands place digit, here 6 is there. Again add 1 in the 6, or else you can do the addition 6010 plus 1000, then we will get the next number 7010. Now again in this number add 1000 and then we will get our last number, that is 8010. Understood? So in this way counting in hundreds and counting in thousands you have to do. Now see the next question. The question is fill in the correct symbol. Means here we have to decide which number is greater or which number is smaller. So first see the first example, the number is 1211 and here 1122. Whenever you will see the number, that time at the top of the number we will write its place like this. O stands for ones, T means tens, 100 and TH means thousands. Now here also we will mention that first O, T, H and 1000. Now what we will do? Yes, first we will see the thousands place digit. Now in this number at thousands place 1 is there. Yes. Now see this number 1122. In this number also at thousands place which digit is there? Here also 1 is there. Means in both number, both the side first digit is same. Okay. Then what to do? Yes, we have to go to the next digit, means at 100 place digit we have to say that number. At 100 place 2 is there here, and here in this number at 100 place 1 is there. Now tell me which one is greater? 2 is greater, yeah, 1 is greater? Yes, of course 2 is greater than 1. So this whole number is greater than this number. So we will put this symbol. Means 1211 is greater than 1122. Are you getting? Okay. Now see the another example. The number is, read this number in your mind, 9898 and another number is 9988. As I told you, write same ones, tens, hundreds and this is thousands place. Here also we will write ones, tens, hundreds and this is thousands. Now see, compare the thousands place digit. Here 9 is there, here also 9 is there. Then we will move to the next number which is at hundreds place. Here in this number at 100 place 8 is there, and here in this number at 100 place 9 is there. Now do the comparison, 8 and 9. Which one is greater? 9 is greater than 8. So this number is greater than this number. So we will put this symbol here. So 9988 is greater than 9898. Now here see example, look at the board, 4456 and the another number is 4655. Now again write O T H T H, here also O T H T H. Now compare the thousands place digit. In this number at thousands place 4 is there, here also 4 is there, means both the digits are same. Then we will move to the hundreds place digit. Now here in this number at 100 place 4 is there and here 6 is there. So we can do the comparison in between because both the digits are different. So 4 and 6, in between these two digits, which is greater? Yes, 6 is greater than 4. So 4655 is greater than 4456. Now see this last example. The number is 2121 and the another number is 2211. Now we will write O T H T H. Why? Because this is the 4-digit number. Here also we will write O T H and this is T H. Now see the thousands place digit 2, here also 2, means both the digits are same. So we will move to the hundreds place digit. Here 1 is there, here 2 is there. So 1 is smaller than 2, means 2 is greater than 1. So this whole number is 2211 is greater than 2121. Understood? So in this way you can do the comparison and you can decide which number is greater or which number is smaller. Now we will move to the next question. Now see the question is write in the expanded form. Now here they had given us the short form. Okay. Many times I told you, whenever you will see the number, that time we will write its place. Okay, we will write their places. This is ones, tens, hundreds and this is thousands. Now read the number 8765. This is the number and this number we have to write in the expanded form. Okay, by using their places we will write the expanded form. Now the first number is 8 and which is at thousands place. So what will be the place value of this 8? Yes, it is at thousands place. So the place value of this 8 is 8000s. While writing the expanded form, we should give the plus sign in between the numbers. Then see the hundreds place digit. At 100 place 7 is there. So what will be the place value of this 7? Yes, 700. Place value of 7 is 700. So we will write here 700. Again give plus sign. Then see the tens place number. At tens place 6 is there, means 6 tens are there. Now 6 tens means how many? Yes, 60. Why? Because the place value of this 6 is 60. So 700 plus 60 plus. Now at ones place 5 is there, means there are 5 ones. So at ones place we will write 5. So this will be the expanded form of 8765. Okay. Same way we will solve one more example. Now the example is number is 5432. Now write its place O T H and this is thousands place. Now the number is 5432. Now see at thousands place 5 is there. So what will be the place value of this 5? 5000. So I will write here 5000. Give plus sign. Then move to the hundreds place number. 4 is there at 100 place. So what will be the place value of this 4? Yes, 400. Plus. Now at tens place 3 is there. 3 tens means 30. plus at ones place 2 is there. So finally at the last we will write 2. So 5000 plus 400 plus 30 plus 2, this will be the expanded form of the number 5432. Isn't it? Clear this point? Okay. Then we will move to the next question. Rewrite in the descending order, and the numbers are 2122, 2222, 2221 and 2212. Here what we have to do? We have to arrange this number in the descending order. Descending order means in a decreasing manner. Now decreasing manner means what? Again from the biggest to smallest, means from among these four numbers, first we have to decide which one is biggest. Okay, so let us see the numbers. Here also we will write ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Hundred, thousands. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Now see the number carefully. See all that four numbers carefully. At thousands place, in all the four numbers 2 is there. Means everywhere 2 is there. So we will move to the 100 place digit. Here 1 is there, here 2 is there, again here 2 is there, again here 2 is there. Okay. Then we have to find first greatest number. So here 1 is there and here everywhere in these 3 digit numbers 2 is there. So we will not take this number now. We will take this number later. Why? Because here 1 is there and 1 is smaller than 2. In remaining 3 numbers 2 is there at 100 place. So we will not take this number now. Now see these remaining 3 numbers. Here 2, here 2, here also 2 is there. Okay. Then what to do? Yes, what you will do? Go to the next tens place number. Here 2, here 2, here also, here 1. Now again here 1 is there which is smaller than 2. So we will not see this number now. We will do the comparison between these two numbers only. Now see the ones place digit. Here 2 is there, here 1 is there and 2 is greater than 1. So this number is greatest among these 4 numbers. So we will write first this number. I will give a small tick on the top of the number. So I will write that number first, 2222, which is the greatest number among these 4 numbers. Now we will see these remaining 3 numbers. Okay. 2222, after this number, this is a predecessor of this number 2221. So after this number will come 2221. Now which two numbers are remaining? This 2122 and 2212. These two numbers are remaining. Now compare these two numbers. Here at thousands place 2 is there, here also 2 is there. See the 100 place 1, here 2 is there. So 1 is smaller than 2. So this number is greater than this number. So third time 2212 will come and the last 2122. So in this way we can arrange the given number in a descending order. Are you getting? Okay. Now see the next question, rewrite in the ascending order. Now what is meant by ascending order? Ascending order means we have to arrange the numbers in an increasing order. Increasing order means from smallest to biggest we have to arrange the numbers. Means here from these 4 numbers, among these 4 numbers we have to see which one is smallest number. Okay. Now see the ones, tens, hundreds, this is thousands. Here also ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Ones, tens, hundred, thousands. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Now see the thousands place number. Everywhere 5 is there. Okay, means all the digits in all the numbers at thousands place equal same digit is there. So we will move to the 100 place digit. Now in this number at 100 place 5 is there, in this number 4 is there, here also 4 is there, and here 5 is there. We have to arrange the numbers in ascending order, means first we have to take the smallest number. So 5 is greater than 4, so these two numbers we will not consider now. Okay, so now see these two numbers, here also 4 is there, here also 4 is there. Then what to do? Yes, what we have to do? We will move to the next place. Now see the tens place digit, here 5 is there, here 4 is there. Then 4 is smaller than 5, so we will take this number. Why? Because this will be the smallest among these 4 number. So I will write here answer 5445. Now see the remaining 3 numbers. Here 4 is there and here 5 is there at 100 place. So 4 is smaller than 5, so second this number will come 5450. Now see, here 2 numbers are remaining still, 5545, 5554. Now here also thousands place equal digits are there, at 100 place also equal digits are there, so we will compare the tens place number. Here in this number at tens place 4 is there, and here at tens place 5 is there. So 4 is smaller than 5, so next this number will come 5545, and the last which one is remaining, that number we will take 5554. So in this way we can arrange the number in a descending order. Okay, now some more questions are there, we will see that also. Read the question carefully. The question is, write the successor of the following. Now what is mean by the successor? That time while teaching I told you successor means we have to add 1 in the given number, and now our number is 1123. We have to write its successor. For that you have to add 1 in the given number. So do the addition, 1123 plus 1. What will be the successor of this? 1124. This will be the successor of this number. Now another example, the number is 1212. Write its successor. Yes, add 1 in the given number. So 12 plus 1, 13. So the successor of this number is 1213. Now see the C example, the number is 2456. Add 1 in this number, 6 plus 1, at 1 plus 6 is there, add 1, 6 plus 1, 7. So the successor of this number is 2457. Now last number is 7657. 7 plus 1, 8. So the successor is 7658. Here remaining 3 numbers which is at tens place, 100 place and thousands place remains the same. Why? Because we have to add only 1. So only tens ones place digit will be changed. Now the last question is, write the predecessor of the following. Now predecessor means what? We have to write its before number, or else we have to subtract 1 from the given number. Okay, so 1991 minus 1. Do the subtraction. 1 minus 1, what will come? Yes, 1 minus 1, 0. So what is the predecessor of this number? 1990. This will be the predecessor of 1991. Now the second example, the number is 2876 minus 1. Do the subtraction. 6 minus 1, what will be the answer? 5. So the last digit will change only. So the predecessor of this number is 2875. See example, the number is 1001. Subtract 1 from this number. 1001 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 0. So predecessor of this number is 1000. Now see this number. The number is 9900. We have to subtract 1 from this number. You can do the subtraction here also like this in a vertical way. 0 minus 1 we can't do. So go to the next place. Here also 0 is there. So we will take 1 borrow from this 9. We will cut to the 9. It will become 8 and this 0 will become 10. Now take 1 borrow from this 10. So it will become 9 and this 0 will become 10. Now do the subtraction. 10 minus 1, 9. 9 minus 0, 9. This 8 will remain as and this 9 also remains as it is. So what will be the predecessor of this number? 9899. For predecessor, what we have to do? We have to subtract 1 from the given number. And for the successor, what we have to do? We have to add in the given number, or else successor means we have to write its after number. After number means we have to add 1 in the given number, then we will get its successor. And for predecessor, what we have to do? We have to subtract 1 from the given number, or else we can write its before number. Okay, so in this way we have completed our worksheet also. In this next period we will see the mathematics A and mathematics B. Till that time, bye bye, take care.